Meaning of deciduous.
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 Deciduous. The term deciduous is used to describe a type of tree or plant that sheds its leaves annually, typically in the fall or winter. When deciduous trees shed their leaves, they go dormant for a period of time before growing new leaves in the springtime. Deciduous trees are found in many parts of the world and are often valued for their beauty and the shade they provide during warmer months. The process of shedding leaves is an important adaptation for these trees, as it allows them to conserve energy during periods of drought or other stressors.